Yeah. Are you rolling? Okay. We're Canon press conference again. Cool. We're so early today that we can't even go in. We have to wait outside. And you know why? Because Kai's not here. That's why we're on time. Well, yeah, he's on holidays, so that's why you're gonna see me today. Yeah.
Now at Photokina, camera manufacturers all went crazy to announce exciting cameras, so it's logical to think that we're gonna see the 6D today. However,
see, they're all eagerly waiting for the cameras, for the press conference. And you know what? It's not even a camera. Oh yeah, there's one camera. What is it?
S something.
A something and some printers. No way. And we've been preparing the scripts for 6D or the EOS M. None of them. What are we gonna do? Let's go. Excited to see the new printers. Whoa! New cameras, S110. This, I don't know what it is. No buttons, all touch screen. Good work. Oopsies. SX160 and printers. What we love most. Yeah. I like this color, by the way. Selfie or selfie or something. Big ones. Yeah. And model. So yeah, when we're on time to the press conference, we get printers. So I guess that's it. Bye. Whoa! Nikon's quick this time. D600. Wow, this feels really light compared to the D700 and the D800. Wow. I think it's like a D7000. We have it at D7000. Yeah, I think it's pretty much the same. But this is full frame. Whoa. Yeah, pretty cool, yeah? Okay, so stay tuned for our full review on the camera. That means, well, Kai comes back from his holiday. Meanwhile, subscribe and like. Thank you. Oh yeah, sorry, Facebook, just like, yeah. Subscribe to YouTube, like on Facebook. Yeah. Bye.